Okay, boys and girls, this is a review for Chapter 7. So hopefully you're watching this right before you have to take the test. I hope you do a good job. So just a reminder how to convert. Remember, convert means changed, improper to mixed. So let's say we have 25 over 3. That's an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So what we need to do to turn this into a mixed number is divide, right? So 25 divided by 3. I know, I have to ask myself, what number times 3 will get me to 25? That would be 8. 8 times 3 is not 25, it's only 24. I have a remainder of 1, okay? So for that mixed number, 8, the quotient, becomes my whole number. The remainder becomes my numerator. And then the denominator does not change, okay? So that's my mixed number. Now, to go from mixed to improper, let's try that. So a little bit backwards. So let's say we have 3 1/5, and we want to change it to an improper fraction. Remember, we multiply. Denominator times whole number. So 5 times 3, we know that's 15, right? And then we add the numerator. So 15 plus 1 is 16. And does the denominator change? Nope, it does not change, okay? So that's how you go from a mixed number to an improper fraction. All right, there's one more thing I wanted to review, and that's subtracting mixed numbers. So let's say we have 2 1/3, and we're trying to subtract 1 2/3, okay? And I have to look at that and say, yeah, I know this one's bigger, the top is bigger, but my problem is I have 1/3 minus 2/3. I can't do that. So what I need to do, we practice this a lot in class, I need to borrow. So I take 1 away from the 2, that leaves me 1. And so I have that 1 that I'm going to add to the 1/3, but I don't want to add whole number 1 to a fraction 1/3, so I convert that whole, that 1, into 3/3. Same thing as 1, right? And then I can just rewrite that. So I still have the 1. I have 1/3 plus 3/3, that's 4/3, okay? And then I bring that over, 1 2/3, right? And I'm still subtracting. So now I'm in good shape. I can say 4/3 minus 2/3 is 2/3, okay? And 1 minus 1 is nothing. So that's my answer. Now remember, sometimes you don't need to regroup with the subtracting mixed numbers. Sometimes you're good. Like let's say I have 3 4/5 minus 2 1/5. Yeah, so that one I don't need to regroup at all. 4/5 minus 1/5, I'm in good shape. I know that's 3/5, and 3 minus 2 is 1, okay? So be sure and look at it closely. Sometimes you don't need to regroup. You can just subtract, okay? So I hope that's a good refresher for you. I hope you guys do a great job on our Chapter 7 test, and I will see you soon.